Good day guys, welcome to the channel. In this video I'll show you how to fix Battlefield 6 connection failed. So the first thing you want to do, say for example you have Battlefield on Steam, you just find your game, then say for example this is Battlefield, it's going to be the same procedure on all apps and games on Steam. You go to properties, then you go to installed files, and you verify the integrity of software files. So this is going to be not software but gaming files, so pretty much the files of your game. If maybe they are corrupt or broken, they will be re-downloaded, replaced, and this might fix the issue. Then you might want to go to your browser and type in Battlefield 6 server status. All right, go here and check if the servers are operational. So for example, as you can see, as of now, the EA app works, EA Play works. You can also go to Down Detector. All right, you go to the websites, and as you can see, user reports indicate possible problems. So a lot of people are playing and there might be some issues. So as you can see, the situation is not perfect, even though that on the official website it says fully functional. In here, we still have problems. So this is pretty much what you can do, guys. Enjoy. If the game really causes so many problems, just go ahead and refund it. You shouldn't be paying for stuff that doesn't work. And of course, enjoy. Hopefully this video helps you, and I'll see you in the next one.